Hey, today I want to show you how to build a virtual try-on experience with Geenee.ar. I'm Antonio Furioso, founder of Eyedex, and I help e-commerce to implement augmented reality, virtual try-on experience, and 3D product configurators in their business. So let's see how to build this experience, for example, for glasses. So here we are inside the platform, and we can build like the first plan to use is like completely free, so you can register and try by your own. And so let's create I just created some project to try the platform. So let's create a new project, and we will go step by step how to build your virtual try-on experience. So this is a new project, project 2, and maybe I will rename it virtual try-on. Okay, and here we are in the first screen, so where we can design what there will be before our virtual try-on experience if we want something. For example, I can decide to not have anything. So in this case, I will go just for add section to the experience, and let's build augmented reality. So we'll go for face AR because in this video we will see how to implement virtual try-on for like the face. So here we can see just like a preview. So it's giving us a hat and some sunglasses. And what we can do. So first of all, here we have a menu. And at the moment we don't need a menu, so we'll deactivate it. And also a sync carousel, so in the case you have, like, for example, more glasses, you can change it. So we don't have at the moment, but maybe we'll add later. So let's enter into the experience, and as we can see, we have here all the experience, and I want to start from scratch. So what I will do is to just delete all of this, and okay, we have just the head, and we will like import our glasses. So for example, we can go to Sketchfab and say glasses. So okay, there are different type. For example, we want to import a model that is not too heavy for like web augmented reality. So example, this one, import. Okay, okay, very big. Okay, we should reduce this model, and transformation is, we can set 0.01. Okay, good. Let's click on fit. Okay, let's rotate it. No, sorry. We have to rotate it on the Y. Okay, position. Let's position like this. And I don't know what happened. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think the platform has some bugs sometimes. So let's position. Oh, now it's moving ahead. Okay, the sketch model. Okay, it should be fine. So this is the first like glasses, and it should be a little bit on the left. Perfect. And now let's save and exit, and let's see the final results. Okay, this is the scene, and let's preview. So in this case, we have to copy the URL, and I will pass another page. So it's loading. Okay, we'll scan my face. Okay. So as you can see, okay, I have to position the glasses like on lower my nose. Yes, so I have to change. So let's interrupt this. And let's come back to the glasses. Okay, so we have to position a little bit lower. Okay, I think now should be fine. So save and exit, and let's try again. Let's preview. And as we can see, now it's perfect. Yes. So what we can do, we can add other scenes, for example, if you want to change. So let's go to plus. Okay, maybe we can leave directly this and try. Maybe I will just take the hat away. And okay, let's save and exit. Okay, let's preview now again. Okay, as you can see, it gives me the glasses, and I can change the scene if I want to change the glasses. So why you want to implement a virtual try-on experience? A virtual try-on experience will help your customers to visualize on themselves your glasses, for example. And so this will help them to feel more confident during the purchasing process, and they don't have to come, for example, in your showroom or some like other shop that you have, or if they're not living in that city where you have the shop, they can just try and buy the glasses online, because they already know how they fit, how they look, and so if they will like it, they will buy it. So this is why I hope this video was helpful, and if you want help to implement a virtual try-on experience on your catalogs, on your website, just click in the links below, and we can have a chat and see if we can help.